This is the elevator at 209 Commercial Avenue in Aspinwall, Pennsylvania. This is a Savaria LU elevator with an Otis rip-off indicator. Elevator, case by elevators out of service. We'll go up to 2. This is fairly new. There's a strange smell in this elevator. Here we go up. Oh my goodness, this is hydraulic. This is obviously added later. Here, 1. And it over leveled, that's lovely. We'll go back down to 1. Ooh, door closes when you press the button. ADA phone. Case fire elevators are surface, that's a weird symbol. Here's your panel. 1 and 2 on the buttons, and G and 1 on the indicator is your LED emergency light. Pretty basic cab, it's very short, it's not very tall. LED lighting. 2-speed door. This is a Lula elevator. I think